Welcome to the SMG Channel. As a leading provider of turnkey solutions for metallurgical projects, SMG is powered by a world-class technical team and China's elite manufacturing ecosystem. From initial design to final commissioning, we deliver end-to-end solutions and cutting-edge equipment to our global partners. Today, we're taking you on an immersive tour of a modern rebar production line. Let's witness how hardcore technology transforms raw power into precision steel. First, the steel billets are fed into a high-efficiency reheating furnace. Under precise temperature control, exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius, the steel's internal crystalline structure is fully awakened. This unlocks exceptional plasticity, perfectly priming the metal for the high-speed continuous rolling ahead. The heated billets then advance into the roughing and intermediate rolling mills. Here, SMG's horizontal and vertical alternating mills take over. This unique configuration enables twist-free continuous rolling, completely eliminating internal torsional residual stress within the metal. Driven by optimized roll-pass design and high reduction ratios, the steel's cross-sectional area is rapidly and precisely reduced, laying a flawless dimensional foundation for the stages to come. With a swift, decisive cut from the flying shear, the high-efficiency dust extraction system instantly springs to life. SMG's advanced technology precisely captures high-density industrial fumes. It secures continuous, high-volume production while strictly upholding our commitment to green metallurgy. To maximize efficiency, SMG has equipped the line with a precision multi-slit rolling system. As the red-hot steel passes through specially engineered slitting guides, it is precisely split into multiple strands for simultaneous rolling. This innovative process exponentially boosts line speed and multiplies overall output. Next, guided by advanced optical sensors, to flying shear executes high-precision head and tail cropping. This cleanly eliminates the cooler, deformed ends of the steel by ensuring only prime material enters the finishing mill. This crucial step maximizes the final product yield. The quenching and self-tempering QST process is the absolute core of elevating the rebar's overall mechanical performance. As the steel blasts through multi-stage water cooling boxes, high-pressure jets rapidly quench the surface. This triggers an immediate martensitic transformation, forging an ultra-hard outer ring. Meanwhile, the retained heat in the core naturally self-tempers this surface layer during the subsequent air cooling phase. Inside the high-speed finishing mill block, the steel bar undergoes its final precision shaping. Operating under the most exacting dimensional tolerances, tungsten carbide rolls sculpt the rebar's robust, standardized ribbed armor. This flawless execution is a true testament to SMG's superior forming control. Exiting the mill, the finished rebar smoothly decelerates along the braking roller apron. With perfectly timed precision, it is seamlessly transferred onto the rotary walking beam cooling bed, ensuring uniform temperature reduction across every single bar. Here, hundreds of red-hot rebars are evenly spaced by the automatic toothed racks for natural air cooling. The precise walking motion of the cooling bed does more than just guarantee uniform heat dissipation. It actively eliminates internal residual stress, locking in exceptional straightness for the finished product, completely eliminating the bending and warping caused by traditional cooling methods. Once fully cooled, the rebar is precisely cut to exact lengths by heavy tonnage cold shears, ensuring perfectly flush ends. The steel then advances into the three-stage chain transfer system. Here, smart sensors act as tireless inspectors, executing zero-error automatic counting and batching. Finally, the perfectly aligned arrays of steel converge at the automatic bundling station. Agile mechanical arms apply immense tension to secure each bundle, guaranteeing absolute stability for long-distance transport. With this final step, the premium rebar is fully prepped and ready for global dispatch. From initial process planning to final production and peak efficiency, SMG relies on hardcore engineering excellence to deliver on every single promise. Choose SMG, your most trusted, one-stop solution provider for world-class steel projects. Choose SMG. Live up to your trust.